So let's write a small jQuery code that will show the menu items when we click this button. If I inspect the element, you can see that we have this div in the class mobile menu. So we're gonna write the selector in jQuery, $, then we add the class mobile menu, and then the anchor. We're gonna listen for the clicks that happen in this anchor. Then we're gonna add on, we're gonna add click, function, and we're gonna add an alert. You clicked the menu, the button, just the button. So now you can save this and reload. Click here, and now you can see that we have you clicked the button. So you can see that here we have the nav, and we have side nav, and at the moment it has display none, and we want to display. We want to display this nav, side nav. So instead of having this alert, we're gonna add nav. It's going to be side nav, and we're gonna add toggle, and we're gonna add slow. So now you can save this and reload. Click here, and now you can see that we have the menu. And thanks to the toggle, we can click here, and you can see that the menu appears and disappears. It has this animation, and I think this looks okay, and I don't have any problems with this. But for example, if I reload this and resize this, you can see that we are missing the menu. So we need to write some extra code. We're gonna add a variable called breakpoint, and we're gonna set this to 766, and we're gonna listen for another event called for the window resize. Is going to be the event that we want to listen. So for example, I can add something like console log, you are resizing the window, something like that. Now you can save this and reload. And let's open the console. Open the console. And now you can see that we have you are resizing the window. And you will see that this number will be increasing when I'm resizing the window. So this event is going to be fired all the time thanks to the resize function. So let's see, for example, if I click here, you can see the menu is working, and if I resize, you can see that the menu is there. So we have a small problem here. You can see that it's not how you can say that it's not very, but it's not working well. We can remove this, and we're gonna add an if statement, if, and we're gonna add document that width, and this will check the width of the window is greater than or equal to the breakpoint. We're gonna add again this, but we're gonna change this to show. We're gonna be using the same selector, but we're gonna change the method. We're gonna add show. And finally, if the breakpoint is less than this size, we're gonna add a hide method right here. So now you can save this and reload. You can see the menu is working, and if I make this smaller, you can see the menus here. Click here and click so you can see the menu. Click again so you can hide the menu, and open this. Now you can see the menus working correctly. So the only thing that we are doing here is listening or checking the resize function, this breakpoint. And once we reach that size, we're adding this show method. Because we have a problem that the menu wasn't printed or wasn't working really well. So you can see the power of jQuery. This small snippet will make this kind of menu, and I think this looks really well. So let's continue working, and in the next video I'm gonna show you how to add a Google font before we continue working with this template.